Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's episode is going to be a very quick one. There's nothing really too much that happened this week. So it's been a while that I drop videos on this channel due to personal reasons. So the last video that I made, the price was within this old range here in the last video that I made. As you can see, price has taken out this level here, and that is a very good one. And what I'll be looking out for is to sell more because of what the market is currently doing. Can see a price drop from this point down to this level here, and we're still expecting it to drop more into this monthly level there. So what really happened last week, this week, today Saturday, this week, what really happened this week, I will show it now, and the trades I was able to pick up from the movement. So let's go down to the 24 hours. What I just want to know is to see how the market is reacting to the levels. You can see this level here was daily structure that was taken out by this big impulse movement to the downside. So let's see what really happened there. After price did that on Friday, I moved down to the 1 hour to look for trading opportunity on the 1 hour time frame. But I did one thing here which I need to talk about. I was really focusing on the trend line or levels or the supply levels. Whereas I forgot to pick out something. I supposed to look for fib retracement level here, which I did not do on that Monday. So what I was doing was that after price created this high, I was looking for, let me show that. You can see, I was looking for trend line actually. Yes, I was looking for trend line actually. So this level here was the level I defined as my point of interest, and that was the supply level on the daily time, on the 1 hour time frame. This level here was the supply level. Don't know what I wanted to. I was seeing this level here to be a supply level that I'll be expecting price to come back to, then sell off from there. This is what I was watching on Monday, and price refused to, make it to that level. So that was very painful, but nevertheless it's still fine. So what I would have done was to pull out Fibonacci retracement level here to give me my golden zone. That was what I missed on that Monday morning. You can see price respected my golden zone instead of respecting the supply level. That was fine. So I missed out on that on Monday. So on Tuesday, I was looking for something else on Tuesday. Let me go back to that chart, so that trade to see. Okay, on that same Monday, I was still looking to buy because I was expecting price to still make it into this level here before dropping again. So I was expecting price to still buy before dropping. So that was the setup that I had there on that same Monday. Then look at what happened. This my point of interest here was nullified by this impulse movement due to news impact. So that was that. Then I was looking to sell again from that point as at that same Monday. So I saw this level here. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. I showed that on the 15-minute time frame. What is that Monday? Yes, then this is it. Yeah, this is it. I was expecting price to come back to this level here to give me a short opportunity. Since the trade to sell to buy has been taken out by this move, you can see I was expecting price to buy from this level here, and price took me out with this impulse move. I was like, okay, I think this market is going to sell off from that point. That was why I pulled out this to sell from that region. So, and that was the trade. I was in the trade. The trade went well in my favor. So what really happened on Tuesday is this. So on Tuesday, I went back to my 1 hour time frame. This is the Monday. This is Tuesday here. So I was expecting price to actually make it back to this level here, to this supply level here. I was expecting price to make it back to this supply level here for me to sell off from that point. But price didn't get to that point. Even on Wednesday, it's slightly not touching it on Wednesday. Price couldn't make it there on that Tuesday, on that Wednesday also. But price made it to this level here on that one. And this was the trade that I took on Wednesday, and this is this. Yes, This is it here. So I entered this trade, price reacted to it on 15-minute time. After saying that, okay, market is going to like, this is going to hold this price at this level here. So I put in on that trade on this point here, targeting this level here. So that was the trade on Wednesday, and that was it. So, and then I took out the profit the following day because I held this trade on Wednesday till Thursday. So holding this market here from here to this level here because I was expecting price to react to this level. So to react to this level, that was one. Then I was expecting price to react to this trend line here. So this was the point I took out my profit here. So I was seeing price reacting to any of these two levels here, and that was what made me close the buy on that Thursday morning. You can see I closed the buy on that Thursday morning due to that the levels that I have here, which might affect the market movement. And look at what really happened. Price sold off from that point also. So that is what really happened here. Put trade to break even due to upcoming high impact news. Yes, there was a news coming out here on Thursday which made me to put this trade on break even, and I was very, very serious about it because the market moved in my favor. Before the market even moved in my favor, there was hours of range. You can see there were hours of range in the market. You can see the rejection, massive rejection before the market now pushed down in my favor. So when I saw this push down, I put the trade on break even immediately before the market was going to, turn around, turn against me. So that was what really happened there. So I put in on that trade and I sold off from that point here. Though I was expecting price to sell more into this level. Likewise, I was also being so careful for this level here. Because this demand level here can cause a lot of havoc for me if I just neglect it. And it really did. But it later moved in my favor. So price get to this level. After seeing the reaction on the 15-minute time frame, I closed the trade immediately. You can see. After seeing price respecting it, going back, I closed that trade immediately. So that was what I did there. You can see. So news moved in my direction. Actually, the news moved in my direction. But closed the trade with the little profit made due to the news. You understand? So I just have to close the trade because you can just pull back against me. So that was that. Then the next level is for me to see if price can pull back. Then we have to this level here. I want to go long again on this level here. And this was still on Thursday. I missed out on this drop, on this massive drop here, and it was very, very, very painful. So let me show you what really happened there. So what really happened there was that price respected a trend line, one. Then two, there was a supply level there that the market also respected. You can see. So two confluences there. On the 15-minute time frame, I was supposed to be on this trade, and I couldn't. It was Friday, so it was very, very painful though. So this was a very massive trade that moved in my favor on Friday. So that's fine. That was what really happened this week. So what am I looking out for in the coming week? So it's nothing really too much. So I have to just wait for them because market is just taking out a daily structure. There will be nothing to be done on Monday. Actually, I just majorly things that's going to happen on Monday just for me to observe the market movement. So I need to observe the market. That will be the major thing I will be doing on Monday. So let me clear up this chart to have more pleasing chart to do it. So the trend continues. So I will still be looking at this trend line here on Monday. Let's see what is going to happen. After price taking out a structure, which is the daily structure, I usually go to the 4 hours to wait for the confirmation. So this candlestick here has to close. I have to see this candlestick closing below it, below this old structural level. So I'll be waiting for the pullback. That is it. That's what we're looking at. So if price could just close this way by Monday, let's see, on the daily time frame, I'll be looking at price to come back to this demand area. So this demand area is going to be next focus here. Yes, this demand area is going to be next week, and that will be how many pips movement. Will be giving us around 135 pips from this point here down to this point here. So that's a massive movement on GPUSD by next week. So let's see how market is going to react. I want to see it drop, then retrace back, then join the movement into this level here. So I'm expecting price to come back into this demand area here. Then we have a structure down here too. This is a daily structure. So these are things I'll be looking out for by next week. Yes, by next week, I want to see this market drop from this level here into this demand area here. Then we'll be looking for us to, to see what market is doing. If it's going to respect it, that we're buying off from that point again into the structure. So let's see what the market will do on Monday.